With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question is, a pendulum of mass m hangs from a support fixed to a trolley which is moving up to the inclined plane with uniform acceleration a. The angle which the string makes with the vertical in equilibrium is. So this is our setup. Here we can say the forces acting on this here. Let's say mass m will be here. We can say here mg sine alpha down the inclined plane and mg cos alpha perpendicular to the inclined plane here. And since this mass is accelerating in positive direction, hence we can say here, let's say this pseudo force will also be acting in the minus, let's say here down the direction, down the inclined plane here. So we can say here this will be our as mg sine of alpha. This here is a pseudo force as ma. This here is our, let's say, mg of cos of alpha, and here along this string we have here as tension, and we can say here this, let's say we need to find the angle made by the string with the vertical. This angle is being asked. Suppose this angle here is theta, and this angle shall also be equal to, we have as theta. So we can say here the components of tension perpendicular to the inclined plane will be our t cos of theta, and here we can say along the inclined plane this component here comes out to be our t sine of theta. Hence we have here as t sine of theta is equal to, we have as m of, we can say as taking m common, hence g sine alpha plus a, and we can say here t cos of theta coming here as equal to, we have as m into g cos of alpha. Dividing these two equations, we can say here when we divide these two equations, tension cancels out, hence sin theta upon cos theta simplifies as tan of theta, and here m and m cancels out, hence we have here as g sine of alpha plus a divided by, we can say here in the denominator as g cos of alpha, hence the angle with the vertical in equilibrium comes out to be our tan inverse, we can say here as g times sine alpha plus a divided by, in the denominator we have here as g into cos alpha. So amongst the four options we can see here g sine alpha plus a divided by g cos alpha of tan inverse. Hence option number 3 we can say is the correct answer. So option 3 is our answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.